Hello there. So you want to know how you can create a music with Suno AI? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. You can do this both on your computer or your mobile device. I'm going to go ahead and show it on the mobile device. Go to App Store, download the Suno application if you haven't already. Once you've downloaded it and simply installed it, make sure that you've created an account and logged in. And now all you need to do to create music is click on this music icon on the bottom. And now what you need to do is simply go ahead and explain what kind of music that you want. It could be by adding lyrics of your own, even if you want to. You can also go ahead and create only the instrumental. So for example, if I want to create a slow-paced blues music with deep voice and about how good life is, I can simply click on create and it's going to start creating the music. So let me just go ahead and show you the music it's going to create. It's going to take a little bit of time. However, it's not going to take a very long time because it's so quick at making music itself. Anyone can create music right away. So if you go ahead and tap on this, as you can see, let's listen to it.
Life is great.
As you can see, it just made one of the best music right away. It's as simple as that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.